In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of doing landscape photography, this is mainly going to be a landscape videography video where I show you the beautiful landscapes that we passed along our adventure to a Bavarian village near us to go join and experience the holiday festival that they hold. It's about a 3-month-long festival in Leavenworth, Washington. It was a beautiful town, but had even more beautiful landscapes that we got to travel through on our way there. We start in this wet, dreary, kind of low altitude spot here, but eventually we will hit that winter wonderland along the way, and I want to share it all with you guys. Hope you all have a happy holidays. Don't worry, we will be back next week with some more landscape photography, but I definitely wanted to share this journey with you guys so you can experience some of the beautiful landscapes that we got to see along the way. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you guys next time.